everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I have a completed diamond painting. So this took me about 3 days on and off. I want to say maybe like the equivalent of 9 hours or something. I don't really keep track of how long a diamond painting takes me, but yeah, it's all completed. So this was one of the diamond paintings that was sent to me by New Craft Day. So thank you again, New Craft Day. And again, as usual, I've linked this diamond painting and also a 10% off discount code in the description below, should you wish to grab this one or any other diamond painting or colour by number, not colour by number, paint by number, off of their website. So this was a 30 by 30 round drill. I'm really pleased with how it came out. The diamonds are super sparkly, as you can see. And I also, as mentioned in the kitting up video, put some of the AB diamonds in the half moon here from my Diamond Dots kit. And I'm not sure if that shows, but that just adds a little something extra to it. You can see how they're multifaceted and really super sparkly. So yeah, we are going to do the kitting down process now. So I'm going to move this to one side, and I'm hoping that all of these DMC numbers I already have in my spare storage system. So let's get into that. So firstly, let's grab our drills. I didn't run out of any drills doing the diamond painting at all. I'm going to bring you down a little bit. So as you can see, there wasn't any that I ran out of at all. So we're just going to go and put these into my spare storage. So our first one is number 1, which was 155. So let's see if I'm hoping that I've got all the envelopes for these. So here's 155, and it's literally just a case of pouring them into the envelope. And then when the video is finished, if you see all of this, by the way, on my nails, a quick side note, I tried to paint them so they weren't so horrible looking on video, and yeah, my nail polish is a bit too old, went all gloopy, and I felt like my nails were suffocating with it on, to be honest. But anyway, 208. Okay, I don't have 208, that's a new number. So what I'm going to do in that case is just grab my spare envelopes and decant them into them. So under here I have a wad of spare envelopes, and what I will do, so I remember the number, is pour them into the envelope, fold over the flap, and then I will stand the pot on top. So I know that I need to find my 208 label for that one. Okay, number 3 is 210, which I have. There's lots of this one left. Look how many's left? So many. You can't really see what I'm doing off to the side here, can you? Let me see if I can get everything in frame for you guys. Bear with me 1 second. Okay, I think you can kind of see everything now. So number 4 is 340, which is another new one. So let's grab an envelope. fold that over and pop that over there with the pot on it. 796. Yay, we have that one. Okay, so that's how many I had left of 796. So whilst I'm doing this, I'm just have a little waffle to you, I guess, a little chat. I hope you're all doing well. I am due to travel to Cambridgeshire tomorrow, as I'm going on vacation holiday with my parents. 797. So I've got lots to do today and my stomach's really not cooperating. For any of you who don't know, I suffer with anxiety, IBS, all that good stuff, and acid reflux, you know, just a bit of everything. My stomach is really not cooperating with me at the moment. It's just constantly hurting. These are slightly darker, I think, to what I already have in there. You can't even see. So these are what I currently have, and this is the new colour. So as you can see, the shades do vary slightly from one set to another, but I'm not really bothered about that. They're just all going to go in there together, and I'm making a mess. So my list of things to do today is basically de-kit this, and I wanted to kit another one up to do this afternoon. Yeah, because, you know, I want to diamond paint instead of doing what I need to be doing. So responsible of me. 819. I need to pack my case. I need to clean my budgie's cage out. Make sure she has enough water and food. She has like 2 feeding troughs and 2 water troughs. So when we go away, we always know, you know, there's more than enough food and water for her. What else do I need to do? I was intending on doing a few videos for my Addicted to Colouring channel. If you are not already a subscriber, the link is in the description below for you. Head over and check it out. So yeah, I was going to do my completed pages video and also my haul video, so I've got stuff to post while I'm away, but like I said, I'm just really not feeling anything at the moment in regards to doing anything. So that was 823. Slot that back in there. A couple of empty pots there where I used the spares up. So we'll just bring these ones down, put those behind. So then we have 917, which is a new number. But I hope you guys are okay. Oh, I've put that on there. I need to put that here with the bottle on it. I have a few diamond paintings now that I need to kit up, so I'm trying to sort of get through them not as quickly as possible, at a comfortable rate. I want to enjoy them. And this one that I'm de-kitting now, I just want to say I really enjoyed doing this one. Like I said, it didn't take me long, and when I was doing it, it was just an enjoyable experience because the canvas was nice and sticky, the drills were nice. I have a little bit of trash here that I'm going to show you at the end, just to show you how much trash I found whilst doing the 30 by 30. There's not that much there, to be honest. 996. That is a new number. Come on, little diamond. There's one left in the pot that doesn't want to come out. It's a little runaway. So what I will do is go ahead and put the labels on these new envelopes off screen. 3607, that's another new one, I believe. 3325, yeah, that's another new number. So always nice when you get new numbers. Bring that there. I think 3608 is another new number. Love that sound. So most people decant these into like plastic baggies, but I've found that this these are like little money envelopes. And I found that not only is it a lot cheaper for me, these are like 69p a pack or something for 50. It's also more environmentally friendly. That was 3608, like so. Then we have 3837, which I may already have. 38. No, I don't. That's another new one. I have 3838. So yeah, a nice few new numbers to add to our ever-growing collection. Or what my other half's doing in the kitchen. I apologise if you can hear him banging about. Never let a man in the kitchen to do cooking. It doesn't go well. I mean, all he had to do was drain some pasta and put it in a bowl, but apparently that's too hard. Right, let me move that storage out of the way. And if I grab my tray that I was working with, got to get into the little bag first. So I've just been using this grey tray at the moment rather than the standard green ones, just as a change of colour. So this was how much trash I found whilst diamond painting this. And it's not all trash. Some of them are literally just hitchhikers. So colours that had gotten into the wrong bag during the bagging up process at the factory. But that is it. So not really broken drills per se. You know, you get the odd like tiny little one. There's a few of those in there. And then there was a tiny bit of trash there. So yeah, not much at all. So that can all go in the bin. And that is it for the kitting down process. It was nice and quick. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will hopefully be a kitting up. Until then, take care everyone, and see you next time. Bye!